Today, we are diving deep into Samsung's response to the iPhone 16 series. Samsung has been making waves in the smartphone industry for years, and their latest move is no exception. As Apple faces legal challenges and prepares for the release of the iPhone 16 series, Samsung is ready to shake things up with not one, but two flagship devices, the Z Flip 6 and the Fold 6. That's right, the Z Flip 6 and Fold 6 are set to hit the market, but that's not all. Samsung has a surprise up its sleeve, an affordable folding phone that's sure to turn heads. After the iPhone 16 launch, brace yourselves for the unveiling of the all-new fan edition Galaxy Z Fold 6. And guess what? It's going to be a budget-friendly folding phone like never before. It will be the most affordable folding phone from Samsung yet. Priced at just $800, this device is set to revolutionize the market with its accessibility and cutting-edge features. While details are scarce, rumors suggest that the fan edition Galaxy Z Fold 6 will boast flagship-level specs at an unbeatable price point. This could be Samsung's ace in the hole as they take on the iPhone 16 series. Just look at Samsung's lineup: the Z Flip 6, the Galaxy S24 series, and now the fan edition Galaxy Z Fold 6, all priced around $1,000. Talk about competition heating up. But Samsung's response doesn't stop there. In a bold move against Apple, Samsung is bidding farewell to 60 Hz displays once and for all. While the iPhone 16 series will feature 60 Hz displays, Samsung is raising the bar with 120 Hz refresh rates across its flagship lineup. From the Z Flip 6 to the S24 series, Samsung is delivering a buttery smooth performance that's unmatched in the industry. Let's take a closer look at the Z Flip 6, a device that's set to redefine the flip phone experience. With a rumored 120 Hz outer display and a powerful 50 megapixel sensor, the Z Flip 6 is poised to be a game changer. The Z Flip 6 is rumored to sport a state-of-the-art camera sensor, rivaling even the mighty Galaxy S24 series. Plus, with a massive battery rumored to last all day and then some, this phone is a force to be reckoned with. So, what does all of this mean for Samsung's game plan against the iPhone 16 series? With the introduction of the affordable fan edition Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the groundbreaking features of the Z Flip 6, Samsung is making a statement. They're ready to challenge Apple's dominance in the smartphone market and revolutionize the way we think about mobile technology. So what do you think of Samsung's game plan? Are they making the right moves to take on Apple and dominate the market? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.